What it is, what's up? Got your subscription in the cut. Welcome back to Chopping It Up with Chels. Today we are going to be introducing May with a pretty and pink glossy lid. I've been loving glossy lids. I don't know, glossy lids are just so pretty, even though they kind of make your eyes feel heavy, but it's whatever. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, what it is, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's get into it. Oh, and follow me on all my social media handles, because we live and we direct and I do tutorials and I'm funny and I'm cute and I'm funny. Okay, bye.
I know I did you wrong, don't even want to think about it. And I know your friends are ring y'all, yeah.
My neighbor is being fucking rude. Who told him to mow his lawn? Does he not know that I'm fucking recording? Like, what's wrong with him? Whatever. The 120 color palette by BH Cosmetics. This is just old as hell. So, yeah. I'm taking this dark pink and I'm just gonna put that all over my lids.
And you won't pick up my calls, and maybe I deserve it. I gotta earn your trust again. I'll do whatever you want, cause I can't lose you again. I ain't mean to break your heart, but don't you think you're dragging it for real? I know you don't want no one else, but
okay, I'm ready. Okay, so now I'm going to take a blending brush, like a lighter color, a lighter pink, and I'm just gonna blend that out, blend the edges out so it's not as harsh.
you gon' be give me one more chance. Girl, don't make me beg, no, I'll do right this time, baby, I promise, and baby, I promise. Girl, I never wanna make it.
I love the color pink. Pink and yellow are my favorite colors. Fun fact. Is he serious right now? Is that dog serious right now? For I'll call ACPCS, whatever it's called. Small ass dog making all that noise, Mo. Reminds me of me. Just kidding. I bite. Sorry. There was no reason for me to do that.
Cry again, I'll be careful with your heart, baby, I promise. You tell your friends he's clipped, he's done, but you still pull up on me so I could beat it like a drum. Can't nobody love you like I love you. So why even jack that you're single? Even they know you know you're mine, no mine. I'll do whatever you want, cause I can't lose you again. I ain't mean to break your heart, but don't you think it?
Have a whole lot of real estate on this forehead, honey. Could rent out a couple of Airbnbs on this bitch. You know what's crazy? Like, when God was making me, he ain't give me no boobs, no butt, just a whole lot of attitude and a whole lot of forehead. Ain't that something?
You're dragging it for real. I know you don't want no one else, but you won't be. Give me one more chance. Girl, don't make me beg, no, I'll do right this time, baby, I promise, and baby, I promise. Girl, I never wanna make you cry again. I'll be careful with your heart, baby, I promise. I promise.
Okay, so for a glossy lid, I take my Vinted by Jessica Libeskind? I don't know. And my Bobbi Brown lip gloss in Pink Pop. I'm literally just going to put a whole bunch on my...
I promise you I will. No. And we'll just put words to that later. Let me get back.
And literally just mixing it, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyeball, my eye bizzle.
I know I did you wrong, don't even wanna think about it. And I know your friends are ring your ear, and you won't pick up my calls, and maybe I deserve it. I gotta earn your trust again. I'll do whatever you want, cause I can't lose you again. I ain't mean to break your heart, but don't you think you're dragging it for real? I know you don't.
Alrighty then. So this is the final look. I went ahead and used the same lip glosses that I used for my lids on my lips with a red lip liner, and I applied some lashes. These are the style Storm from her Lash Vault. Use code Chels.gm for coins off, because you know we love a money saving queen, like hella pretty on a budget, period. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my social media handles, tell a friend to tell a friend, and like and comment down below if you want to see more looks like this. And what else do you want to see? Let me know. Like, what's up? Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys again next week.
Cause I can't lose you again. I ain't mean to break your heart, but